Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Discord mic quality, improve sound, and audio. So basically, first things first, you want to head over into your Discord application, and from here, you then want to click on the user settings. Inside user settings, scroll down, navigate through app settings, and then click on voice and video. So basically, this is where we can modify our microphone settings. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through voice, and you want to make sure that you select the right input. For example, I'm using my microphone USB condenser right here. And in some cases, I also use voice meter to go ahead and enhance my audio even more. But sometimes my audio isn't working perfectly when using voice meter, so you want to go ahead and test this out. If you're using something like a program like this, click on the let's check button, and from there you will be able to see which microphone works best. From there, you then want to scroll down a little bit more, and you then want to select voice isolation. This will go ahead and cut through the noises from your microphone. Or you can even hit the custom button if you want to. But to make things easier, let's go ahead and select the preset. From there, you also have an ability to activate your voice or microphone instantly when speaking, or you can activate it when pressing a button. Additionally, when navigating through the advanced setting, you want to make sure that both of this setting is turned on. And so, from there, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.